my god, so delicious. Hey human, I'm Abraxan Evelyn, the Beautiful Chick. Welcome to my channel. It's a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty, lifestyle vlogs, work vlogs, and a whole lot of love is found on my channel. Today on the Beautiful Chick, I will be showing you how to make the sticky jollof rice. It is really delicious. It is easy to make if you follow all of my tips. And guess what? It did not burn. Yes, it's possible to make jollof rice and it will not burn. Let's go see how I make this. Alrighty guys, let's go.
Okay, humans, here are the ingredients. So bell peppers, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. I added garlic when I was blending because I love garlic. So what I usually do is 1 cup of rice, 2 bell peppers. And we are using 3 cups of rice for this recipe. I like to soak my rice in advance for 2 hours. I do not parboil my rice. Now I am beginning to build my flavors. This is brisket, known in Nigeria as biscuit bone. I added salt and pepper. Then that pepper is grilled pepper. I popped this in my air fryer. Oh my god, guys, if you do not have one, go get yourself an air fryer. I found that it roasts or cooks faster than the oven. Look at all the flavor in here. Next step is to roast our bell pepper, tomato, and pepper mix because it gives us a better taste, in my opinion. So I do not use tinned tomatoes as a matter of preference because I use 90% bell pepper and 10% tomato in my jollof rice. Now look at that, we are ready to start frying. So in my pot I have 1.5 cups of oil. I started to fry the onions and blend my bell pepper mix without adding water. Then brought that into my onions and fried for around 10 to 15 minutes. And look at that, it is ready. Then I brought in my brisket, biscuit bone, with all of its flavors and oil, and oh my god, this jollof rice is gonna be lit. Then to every cup of rice that I'll be using is 2 cups of water because this is gonna be a sticky jollof rice. So I have just added 2 tablespoons of crayfish, and I love to use what's it called, cumin. So this is half tablespoon of cumin. I will be adding salt, but I'll be adding just a little salt because I have already added salt to my brisket, and I also added Knorr cubes. I did not picture that in here. Then I brought in my rice. Look at the ratio of the water to the rice. Because this is gonna be a sticky jollof rice, the water floats above the rice. So you cover that and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. You will have excess oil because of the brisket, so take some out. Then lift. I do not stir my rice. Lift like so. I'm using a non-stick cast iron pot, which is really helpful. It'll help for my rice not to burn. I covered this with foil paper. Turn off the heat because it is cast iron. It will continue to cook for another 5 minutes, and voila! The most delicious jollof rice is ready. All right, take a picture, take a picture. Oh, goodness. This is so beautiful. And it did not burn.
How was that? I told you it would not burn. Did you see that it didn't burn? And it is really, really sticky. See, it's sticky. And oh my god, so delicious. It is so sticky. Well, not so sticky, but it is sticky that the best way to eat it is using your fingers. Have you heard of jollof rice before? If you haven't and you do not know how to make, I hope my recipe is gonna help you. And if you know of jollof rice, you know how to make jollof rice, which of my tips are you gonna try so that your jollof rice game goes up? Alrighty guys, please like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you will do differently going forward if you already know how to make jollof rice, and if you do not know how to make jollof rice, let me know what you thought about my recipe. To my returning subscribers, I love you. And if you're new on this channel, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beautiful Chick. You want to consider subscribing for more content that will up your kitchen game. At this point, no, we have to taste this biscuit bowl. Oh my god, so soft. All the flavors in there, oh my god, so good. Thank you so much. I would like to say God bless you. Bye! I love you. You. Bye.